Hello everyone. Um, Once again, uh, I'm going to demonstration on few applications of semiconducting devices. In previous video, I showed you how full wave and half wave rectifier works. In this video, I'm going to do very basic what applications of um, Zener diode, Zener diode, next normal semiconductor diode, or simply you can say PN junction diode, and LDR, that is light dependent resistor. Actually how it works in very basic mode. To do this, I have taken very simple circuit using very simple devices, that is one battery, DC battery, and one breadboard which uses to connect the electronic devices very easily. No soldering, all that not required here. Just we can connect in very simple way on this breadboard. See, this is the negative term of the battery. This is positive wire or positive term of this external battery, DC battery. This is LED bulb. The negative term, this one, is connected to the negative term of the battery, that means negative wire of the battery. In this breadboard, this series will uh, interconnected, I mean these blocks are interconnected. So if I connected here, the current or voltage flows entire in this way, or in this what in next, this is the negative term of the battery, sorry LED bulb. This is positive, and this is positive term of the external battery. Now I will connect in between positive term of the battery and positive term of the LED. First I will connect PN junction diode or silicon diode, simply can say PN junction diode. As we know, PN junction diode only works in forward bias mode, and it will not work in reverse bias mode. Now you can see here, see, this is a diode. I will connect, and we know that this is negative term, silver ring, this is positive, PN junction. Now I will connect the positive term to the battery, positive. Just I am clicking here, see, positive. I am connecting the wire, positive wire, to positive term of the diode or P region of the diode. Next I will connect this negative region or N region of the PN junction diode to the positive term of the LED bulb, hence it makes forward bias. So you see what happens. See, now I will connect, see, negative negative. Now I will connect the positive one to the positive term of the diode. See, the LED bulb is glowing, it emitting light. It is in forward bias. Now I will reverse the connection of the diode. That is, I will connect now this N region to this red wire, I mean positive term of the battery, and the P region to the positive term of the LED bulb. Next what happens, see, I will remove it. The light is switched off, I mean light off. Next see, connecting in reverse condition. Now this one to the positive term of the battery. N region is connecting to positive term of the battery. See, now you are not getting the light. See, you are not getting the light. So this is the condition what we are saying in theoretically. Diode, simple diode or PN junction diode, conducts in forward bias only and it will not conduct in reverse bias. Now I am going to show the demo on Zener diode. As we know, Zener diode will conduct in reverse bias also. You can see that example in this video. See, now I am taking Zener diode. This is negative term, brown ring, and this one is P junction or P region. Now same arrangement I will do here. The negative term is connected to positive term of the battery, and this N region is connected to the P region is connected to positive term of the LED bulb, and N region of the Zener diode is connected to the positive term of the external battery. Hence it is in reverse condition or reverse bias. See what happens when I will connect here. When I will connect it, see, positive term of the battery is connected to the negative region or N region of the Zener diode, and the P region of the Zener diode is connected to positive of the LED bulb. Light is glowing, you can see here. See this connection, you can see. So we can say by seeing this video we can clarify that Zener diode will conduct in reverse bias. Next I am going to do a small video on LDR, light dependent resistor. This is the component, this is the device LDR, light dependent resistor. Especially it works in burglar alarm and street lights. Depending on the light intensity, it works as the switch automatically. Again I am connecting in between the positive term of the LED bulb and the positive term of the battery. See, the light is glowing, positive term of the battery and one term of the LDR, light dependent resistor. Another term is connected to the positive term of the LED, light emitting diode. Observe the intensity of the light. I will close it. See what happened. See, I removed, I closed. I think you can see the change in intensity of the LED bulb. As I close the LDR circuit, light will not emit or intensity of the light will decrease. See, if I remove my hand, I mean my finger, LED bulb glows with more intensity. If I supply more intensity to this LDR, the intensity of the LED bulb again increases. Or if I close completely, see, you can see now the intensity of the light is decreasing. See, see, see. So this is the function of LDR, light dependent resistor. Depending on the light intensity, either it conducts or does not. Thank you.